Welcome back. On cards here, busting a box of 2012 Bowman Chrome Baseball for Meadowbranchju Julio on freedomcardboard.com. We got a Bowman Scout. We have our Bowman Scout, Mr. Japers. Mr. Denim himself. Alright, good luck. All based so far. With refractor, Domingo Tapa refractor. Yes, Brett Lowry, legends in the making. That's just terrible. You have a feeling there's going to be a missing auto. Ooh, how about a red auto? Tyler Skaggs. 5 of 5. Red auto. Meadowbranchju Julio with the red auto. 5 of 5. Hey, Domingo Tapa. Maybe this is going to be a Tapa rainbow box. Alex Linney refractor. Matt Kemp refractor. Chris Carpenter blue refractor. Jacoby Ellerby refractor. Dan Ugala refractor. And the last pack. Ventura All-Star Futures game. And there's a box of 2012 Bowman Chrome for Meadowbranchju Julio with the red Tyler Skaggs autograph.